Have you ever wondered when and how to plant potatoes in Kentucky? In the world of gardening, timing and technique are everything, especially when it comes to planting potatoes in the heart of the bluegrass state. In Kentucky, the sweet spot for getting those spuds in the ground is between February and April. Why so early, you ask? By getting them in the ground before spring fully springs, you're setting your potatoes up for success, allowing them ample time to flourish before the scorching summer temperatures roll in. Now that we know when to plant, let's dive into the how. First, we need to prepare the soil. Potatoes thrive in loose, well-drained soil, so it's crucial to break up any hard clods and remove rocks. Next, it's time to choose your potato variety. Russet and Yukon Gold are two popular choices in Kentucky, both boasting excellent flavor and versatility. Once you've got your potatoes, you'll want to cut them into chunks, making sure each piece has at least 2 eyes. These are the buds where new growth will sprout. Plant these chunks about a foot apart and a few inches deep with the eyes facing upwards. After planting, it's all about care. Water your potatoes regularly, but be careful not to overwater as soggy soil can lead to rot. And don't forget to hill soil around the plants as they grow to protect them and encourage more growth. With these steps, you can expect a rewarding potato harvest. So when and how should you plant potatoes in Kentucky? Remember to sow your seeds between February and April, following the steps we've outlined. That's all it takes to ensure a plentiful potato harvest. Plant early, follow the right steps, and you'll have a bountiful potato harvest. Happy planting, Kentucky gardeners!